Hello everyone, this is Enea here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create the square-based geometric art figure in Affinity Vector persona. This figure is made of the intersection of various squares that are rotated. This figure is similar to this figure that we created not long ago that was based on an equilateral triangle. Alright, so to get started we go ahead and we create a new composition. We go to View, Guides, and we add horizontal and vertical center guides to the composition. And then we take the rectangle tool. We set the stroke to none and the fill to black. And then, starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the one-to-one proportions, we go ahead and create a square of about this size. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate it. So we press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. We check on Duplicate, we set the number of copies to 3 and the rotation angle to 22.5, and we click on OK. So now we have all the squares that we need. The next step is going to be to create the intersections. So we select all of them and we go here to the divide operator to break the squares along the intersections. And then, while holding Shift, we are going to select this intersection here and this intersection here. So these two pieces here, and we press on Ctrl G to group them together. And then in the Layers panel, we select everything else and we delete them. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate this group. So we go here to Move Tool Settings, and we click on Enable Transform Origin. And we set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel again. We set the rotation angle to 22.5. And we're going to need 16 copies overall. So we set the number of copies to 15 and we click on OK. And this creates a figure. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a square-based geometric art figure in Affinity Vector persona. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!